today I'm going to talk about living in harmony with nature. My name is Thuy Anh and I am from 21 Secondary School. Why do we need to live in harmony with nature? It is because nature gives us fresh water, fresh air, pure water, food, many mineral resources, air conditioning, and protect biodiversity. Living in harmony with nature is good for not only physical but also our mental health. The negative effects of humans on nature. Water pollution is because we throw so much trash in the water. This is called environmental pollution. Well, here, as you see, there's not so much trees in the forest, and there's almost no shade. It's because we cut so much trees that now there's almost no trees in the forest. This is called deforestation. Well, do you know why the sky becomes grayer and smokier? It is because we often open a lot of factories that leads to smoke. This is called climate change. And at least we will not forget about this. Well, the ocean is becoming darker and grayer. It's because we throw so much trash in the water that now it's polluted. Well, all the animals are like animal or sick. Well, this is an example of a turtle. You see, there's a trash inside its mouth. This is called biodiversity loss. How to live in harmony with nature? Reduce energy use, save water, sort and recycle waste. The three are reduce, reduce, and recycle. Plant more trees for our nature, and at last, use eco-friendly products. And I think we should rather use silk bags more than plastic bags and paper bags. It's because plastic bags are not good for our health, and paper bags, well, with paper are made out from trees. About me, I make friends with animals and recycle mid-autumn lanterns from plastic cups. Save Earth, save us! Together we protect our common home. Living in harmony with nature is everyone's responsibility. Let's work together to protect the environment and build a sustainable future. Thank you for listening and goodbye.